Hey everybody, Drew here with Epic Arms and Outdoors. Today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new BnB Knives fixed blade. Stay tuned. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Buck & Bear Knives Pro-Lite Hunter Blue. As you can probably tell, it has the blue G10 handle scales, and we'll get that focused in for you. So it is a full tang construction knife, and it is made out of 1095 steel with 256 layers of Damascus. You have your Buck & Bear Knives logo on the presentation side, and then you also have their full logo on the back side. So it is a drop point design. You get a 4.5 inch length blade, and overall length is about 10 inches. Your weight on this is about 9 ounces. It does feature a lanyard hole right there on the back side. You get a little bit of jimping up top. I wish they had done that across the entire ramp right here and then on as far as they could get it. That just looks really cool. So if you are choking up on the knife like so, you get a little bit more purchase if you're gripping it like that rather than back here on that ramp. It does come with a leather sheath, as you can see here, just a pocket clip on the back side there. It did have a snap closure up top, but I never used those, so I took it off. And we'll get into some cutting tests. Right. So we will show you how sharp this thing is straight out of the box. And just got my cold steel catalog sheet here, and this has already been cut on, so I'm just kind of reusing this. But very sharp right out of the box, as you can see. And I have not done anything with this blade yet, but excited about having this and testing it out. We'll do a quick cardboard cut test. And this is always weird, kind of going through the camera lens. So I'm excited to get this thing. Buck & Bear did send me this knife to review, so I will be doing some testing on this and further evaluate it and do a follow-up video for you guys. If y'all have any questions, feel free to ask, and I will have a link to this as well as a BnB discount code in the description box below. Thanks.